What's up, everybody? This is Austin with Hendricksen Pursuit. We're pretty excited to do a quick review on these Bullite off-road wheels. First impression is they're a super clean wheel. They look like they're built just sturdy. They're lightweight, and we're just super excited to get them out on the trail and see what they can handle. We've got them wrapped in these Tuss Terabytes. It's 3210 by 15 on our 2020 XP Pro Ultimate Razor, and it just changed the whole look of this ride. Like we're pretty stoked about it. And one thing I wanted to test or touch base on is the customer service from Bullite Off-Road. I dealt with Peter and John, and all I can say is fantastic customer service. They were super easy to talk to, knew exactly what you wanted. And the purchasing process was so easy. You can purchase online and they just ship it to you. But there was zero hiccups. Honestly, just kudos to those guys. They do a great job over there. I'd also like to take a minute to shout out Tire Busters in Payson, Utah, for getting these mounted for us. We didn't have the equipment, or we would have done it ourselves, but huge thanks to those guys.